Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, okay. Today I would like to share to you all a very simple topic on inventory management. Okay, all company need to manage their inventory to make sure they have sufficient supply. Uh, at the same time, they have to control their inventory costs. Okay, I give example one of the question here in the screen right now. You can see the inventory management. All right, a grocery shop had estimated that its inventory requirement for the next year is 225,000 units. Okay, unit. So this is if we could consider this like, and you can if you see this word, right? This we could consider as an annual demand. Okay, later we'll extract the information. We just highlight first. Next year is 225,000 unit. That means this is for the whole year. The purchase price is RM 1 ringgit and 20 cent per unit. Alright, the purchase price of the inventory 1 ringgit and 20 cent per unit. And remember, if the question give you the purchase price, means that it indicates that they ask you to calculate carrying cost. Later I will explain to you. Inventory will deliver 14 days after placing the order. Okay, all this information please highlight first. Alright, and then it takes 14 days after you order. It takes 14 days to deliver the goods to your place. Alright, historically the carrying cost per unit is 35% of the purchase price. You see, as I said just now, the purchase price of the materials being used for what? To calculate your carrying cost. Alright, and lastly, the information that you need to know is the cost per order, the ordering cost. Okay, we know already, we have highlighted and assume there are 360 days in a year. It's important to know how many days. Later we'll explain to you in the calculation later. Right, this is the questions. But before that, before you start to calculate, I want you to extract the information. Okay, first, what do you highlight just now? Next year is 225,000 units. This one actually is your D, annual demand, 225,000 units. Next, purchase price is RM 1 ringgit and 20 cent per unit. As I said to you, it is used for what? Purchase price is to use to calculate the carrying cost. How many percent, class? 35% of the purchase price. You see, your carrying cost here, 35% from the purchase price. So your carrying cost is only RM 0.42. Okay, how about next? They delivered 14 days after the placing their order. So what type of information is this? This is considered lead time. The symbol is L. It's been used in the formula later. Okay, it is 14 days. Remember, this must be in days. If the question give you 2 weeks, means you have to change it, convert it to be days. Alright? Okay, class. So last is cost per order. This we call as ordering cost. This is ORM 30 ringgit. So remember, you have to extract the information first. You need to know your D, you need to know your O, you need to know your C, L, and D. And what is D? Alright, this is not in your question, but you have to extract the information. Calculate first before we start to answers all the questions. Okay, what is daily demand? Just now is the annual demand, the whole year. I want 1 day average. What is the daily demand? 225,000. Your D will divide by 360. So what is the formula for D, class? Is D divide by 360. Why 360? Because the question asks you 360 days in a year. If the question inform you, example, 52 weeks. So that means 364. So remember, this is based on the question. Okay, so I get 625 units daily demand. Alright. Okay, class, now we start to calculate. First question. Okay, economic order quantity. What is your Q? Okay, what is your EOQ? Okay, what is the number of orders? Total inventory cost. Reorder level is direct question. You have to memorize the formula. Alright, what is the formula for economic ordering quantity? Economic order quantity is 2 times D times O. Okay, divide by C. And don't forget to square it. Very good. Okay, so you just sub to the formula. Why? You have this information. This information is very good. Why? When you extract, it's easy for you to calculate later. You see, 2 times, what is a D? You see, you don't need to see the question. You only see your information here. 225, you times with 30. Then divide by 0.42. Then you get 5,669 units. So this is the best optimal order to minimize your cost. Okay, so this is consider optimal ordering quantity. Okay, class, remember, don't forget the formula. You know how to extract. If your formula is wrong, your answer will be wrong as well. Okay, so this is a formula: 2 times demand, annual demand times your ordering cost, divide by your carrying cost. Don't get a mistake here. Then when you get you this answer, remember this answer is very important. This answer will be used for others step. Okay, so second question, number of order to be placed. D divided by Q. What is D star? Actually, EOQ is your Q stars. The answer that you get actually is your Q star. So can I know what is the unit? 569. So demand, annual demand, you know, okay, you can get from the information. 225,000, you divide by the Q that you get just now in the question A. So 5,669. So the time is 36 point, roughly is around 37 times in the year you place the order. Okay, now the next question, total inventory cost. The formula is total ordering cost plus total carrying cost. So what is the formula? So this is total ordering cost. You see, this is what? Total ordering cost formula. And this is total carrying cost formula. Good. So as I said, if you memorize the formula, you have the information just now. Scroll up. You see this information is very important because you can use for all the formula. You just sub it and you can calculate it. Okay. So after you get the formula, you just put a 0. Oh, this is not 0. This is what? Ordering cost is O. 30 ringgit. From where? From the information. D, annual demand, 225, divide by the Q that you get from the answers A just now. You see, it's important answers. Remember, make sure you have the correct answer for your Q. Okay, so what is this, class? This is times actually. All right, you have to multiple 30 multiple with in the bracket here 225,000 divided by 69, and then you divide and you times with 30. Okay, what is symbol is this? This is actually times. Okay, what is this? Time. Very good. So you get your total ordering cost. Don't do any careless mistake. You cannot let go this answer like this. This is the only total ordering cost. The question asks you what? Inventory cost, total. Okay, so next, total carrying cost is what? C is your carrying cost that you calculated in the information just now. You see? That's why I said to you, information is very important. Okay, so 0.42 and then Q divided by 2, 5,669 divide by 2. Very good. And why is this? Safety stock. And I said to you, if the question gives you safety stock, then you have to extract extra information. You have to put the safety stock information. However, do you think any safety stock in the question? No, not be given. So we assume the safety stock is 0. So what do you want to put the answer here, class? 0. Very good. 5,669 divided by 2. What formula is this? This we call as average inventory. So what is this? This is times and this is times. Please settle this first. And after you get the answers, then you time with 0.42, then you get this. This is only total carrying cost. Question asks you what, class? Total inventory cost. So what you have to do now, the answer that you get from your TOC, you have to plus with your TCC. Total ordering cost, total carrying cost. Then you get RM 2,381 ringgit 18 cent. That is your total inventory cost that you spend. Okay, so last is Last question. Oh, reorder level, or we can consider this a reorder point as well. L is your lead time. Remember I explained the information times your D, daily demand, plus SS. All this you can get from information. As I said, D must be in days. Sorry, D must be in daily demand. L must be in days, not week. So you have to extract the information. Remember, L is your 14. Your D, small d, daily demand is 625. You just enter it to the formula. 14 times 625 plus 0 y0. Your safety stock not be given in the question. Remember? So this is the answer, 8,750 units. Alright, that's all the way how to answer this inventory management. Remember, extract, read carefully. Where is D? Which one is O? Which one is C? Which one is L? Which one is a small d? So at least, and what is SS? If the question not give you, you can assume the SS is 0. So please remember all the formula just to recall you. EOQ, Q star, 2 times D times O, not 0, is ordering cost, divided by C, D divided by Q. Then TOC plus T, CC, O times D divided Q, CQ divided by 2 plus SS. Please calculate this first and then you times 0.42. And lastly, don't forget to total up. Alright? And lastly is reorder level. L lead times daily demand. After you get the answers, you plus with your SS, then you get the answers in units for reorder level. So remember class, don't forget to memorize the formula. Alright, that's all for today. Study hard for inventory management. Thank you.